Hello everyone, welcome to part 67 of Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here's my little series on that, part 67 in that whole series. So back once again, 67 parts in, woo, let's go get them. So, this principle is a pretty interesting one to follow up with this idea of success that we talked about last time. And this one, I like this one as well. I mean, I really like the last one, but I also really like this one. Yeah, oh man, this one's so good. And this is that every single negative thought you have about another person is actually a thought about yourself. I mean, what an insight, what a, tell to the golden rule. We've talked about the golden rule in this series, 2 or 3 times, at least, maybe 3, 4, 5 times. I don't even know. I've lost track of that. But that whenever you think negative thoughts of others, you're telling your subconscious mind to treat you negatively. And when you think positive thoughts of others, you're telling your subconscious mind to think of you positively. So he's saying, here's the case, it's just exactly like that. Whenever you think positive thoughts of others, whenever you have that kind of thing, you really think positive thoughts of yourself. You really get that reward for doing so. And whenever you think negative thoughts of other people, like, oh, that person's too fat, that person's hair sucks, that person, they're no good at this, I hate them, there's too much of a perfectionist, they have these problems, even more enlightened kind of criticisms, okay, if there could be such a thing as an enlightened criticism. Even the ones that are more observant and more true, it doesn't matter because now your subconscious mind is going to judge you the same way you're judging other people. So judge not, or ye shall be judged. The reason that works is because your subconscious mind will judge you the way you judge other people. If you try to see the best in people, the subconscious mind will see the best in you. And when you're feeling the most down, it will give you the best insights. It will give you the best motivation you've ever had. If you always hate on other people, then when you're down, your subconscious mind will kick you when you're down and tell you, I hate you, you suck, kind of stuff. Anyway, that's basically it. I mean, when you have that, when you know that how you treat others and how you view reality, how you use the thoughts you think about your others, or not your others, how the thoughts you think about others or you think about yourself, regardless, will be then applied to you by your subconscious mind. That's basically it for part 67. I will see you guys next time with part 68, so stay tuned.